Hello everyone, today we have an incredible useful tutorial for you. We will be learning how to separate text into columns using delimiters. Specifically, we will explore delimiters like others, comma and semicolon. To start, let's clarify what delimiters are. Delimiters are characters that separate one value from another in a string of data. In Excel, common delimiters include commas, semicolons, and others, which could be spaces, tabs, or any custom character you choose. Now, how to use these delimiters are significantly enhance your data manipulation skills in Excel. Now let's jump into a practical demonstration using a sample data. As you can see on my screen, I have a sample data with names and amounts all jumbled up in one column. To make sense of this data, we will use text to column feature in Excel. First, select a range of cells containing your data. Next, go to the Data tab and you will find text to columns in the Data Tools group. Now, choose the delimited option and click Next. Here you will see a list of delimiters. In our case, we'll choose Other and input our custom delimiter. Let's try rupee symbol first. Click Next. Before we finish, let's look at two additional settings. First, choose the destination for your separated data. In our case, we will create a new column. Check this option, do not import column. This is handy when you have extra columns in your data that you want to skip during the separation process. After selecting your delimiter, setting the destination and handling column skipping, click Finish. The text is now separated into columns based on the chosen delimiter. We have covered the basics of separating text to columns in Excel using delimiters like comma and semicolon. I hope you have found this tutorial helpful. Until next time, happy excelling.